So, a very warm good evening to everyone. Welcome to yet another episode of I Can Care Sunday Life Mind, Body, Soul. Today, the topic on Mind, Body, Soul is aligning the chakras, the energy transformation. So, we'll walk through, we'll know from our special guests, special speakers, and our esteemed spiritual guru, Sadhguru Ananda. We'll hear from him, we'll know more about the chakras. So, peace, joy, and love are all signs of spiritual wisdom. A life led on the path of truth always brings light and fortune. So, I welcome on behalf of the entire team of I Can Care all our viewers on Zoom, Facebook Live, and YouTube to the wonderful Sunday evening on Mind, Body, and Soul. Let me introduce to you our and Shri Kanhaiya Lal Upadhyay ji, from whom we shall be hearing the mantras. As we see, tobacco is the demon of present era, and at I Can Care we are committed towards creating a tobacco-free society to have institutionalized and brought solutions that are going to help each and every individual across the country, across different sections of the society, to bring about the change in their lifestyle, free from tobacco and lead a healthy life. For this, we have launched the Save the Youth campaign, Yuva Bachao Abhiyan, across multiple cities across the country to sensitize people about the ill effects of tobacco, to assist them in help and help tobacco addicts in successfully quitting tobacco for life, to create volunteers, marshals, ambassadors, and cessation specialists across various cities in India to who can take forward this campaign at the grassroots level and eradicate from the very root the whole menace of tobacco that we are facing currently. And we also, under the Save the Youth campaign, help organization in building a plan, building policies that can be implemented at organizational level to create a tobacco-free workplaces in their organization. So with this, we envision to build the largest network of tobacco cessation centers in the world and be the biggest network of people working towards tobacco cessation and its eradication. And we, with a mission, we look to at, at least help 10% of the addicts in India to quit tobacco successfully. For this, we have introduced the tobacco marshals and ambassador and specialist program training program to create a workforce that can vouch and that can and who can take the message to the community members that yes, we can overcome the habit of tobacco and eradicate from its very roots. So we envision to bring about at least 1 lakh marshals in the coming years with 10,000 specialists the across various community organizations. As we see, tobacco marshals are the main workforce who at the ground level can influence and motivate people in towards and drive the whole Save the Youth programs in a positive direction. They can motivate, create awareness, recognize tobacco habits in individuals, sensitize them, and help to also help with by directing them to the right specialist uh, who can help in building a adequate and personalized quit plan for them. And for in order to facilitate the whole program and maintain records and increase our reachability in a short span of time, we have launched at I Can Care the e-cessation app for delivering a medically validated and fully scientific and digital tobacco quit program with a 92% success rate. And with this application, quitting has now become so easy and simple with a and can be and any individual can quit from the comfort, even from the comfort of their homes. So and remotely they can connect with the specialist, remotely they can seek assistance, remotely the medicines get delivered to at their doorsteps, and the program has been very successful with the patients. And we also have introduced the international quitline number, where patients from any walks of life, any sections of the society can connect with on this quitline number and seek the assistance. Taking this whole session forward, I would like to now welcome our chief speaker, Dr. Pawan Gupta, uh, MCH, MS and MCH in onco surgery, to take the whole session forward. Over to you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rishabh, for the nice introduction of I Can Care and as well as about the program. And I welcome all the participants and the delegates who are here today to the session and another session of Mind, Body, Soul. So we had been having a number of sessions. I think 6 sessions we already had with the Sadhguru Ananda. And as a cancer surgeon, I would say that every day cancer cells are formed, hundreds of them are formed in our body, and our body has the strength to heal oneself. The definition of health has to be changed within the limitation of disease. How do we keep ourselves healthy? This is something that we need to work on. And of course, mind is the healer. When I say as a doctor, I can treat the patient, but I cannot heal the patient. The healing has to be within self, and that is where we have to work on. And I always practice what I call MED: meditation, exercise, and diet. These are the three most important way how we can heal ourselves. A person, even after being treated, if the person doesn't feel that the person has got or healed or has been cured, we can never heal that person. So with this intention, we have been having this mind, body, soul for quite some time, and we had this so many programs, and like the power of healing thyself, the Kundalini, the Prana. And today we are going to talk about aligning the chakras, the energy transformers. I'm not the master. The master is here, Dr. B.C. Gupta, the Sadhguru Ananda, Dr. Manish Wadhwa, who himself is a doctor but has taken this path to guide people in their journey of healing thyself or healing one own self. So in during the process, we will have the mantra at the beginning by Mr. K.L. Upadhyay, the lung expansion exercises and discourse by the Sadhguru, and therapeutic meditation and relaxation, and interaction and question answer from the chat box. And so I will request anyone who has got any questions, please do put it in the chat box, but do enjoy the therapeutic meditation that is very relaxing and will definitely take you in the path of uh, healing. So at present, I would invite Sri Kanhaiya Lal Upadhyay ji, who is a charmer, and he has charmed me also in so many years that I know him, and with his wonderful mantras that he chants and his wonderful personality that he has. So over to you, Kanhaiya Lalji, for charming others who are also into the.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ananda sir, to giving us such a very unique concept of mind, body, and soul. Today, again, we are going to start this beautiful program, which is organized by I Can Care. And my regards to Dr. Ananda, to Dr. Pavan Gupta sir, to Dr. B.C. Gupta, my senior, Mr. Lokender Pal, Rishabh and all. So without not taking much of time, let us start the mantra. Mantra are the words which are the magical words which really play a wonderful role in our life. The words about which Goswami Tulsidas has written in Ramcharitmanas, मंत्र परम लघु विषम ब्याल के मैटत कठिन को अंक भाल के. So mantras can change the destiny too. It is believed. So let us start with some mantra. Please concentrate. Actually, in the beginning of the program, we chant some mantra which is known as Mangalacharan. The things which is characterized in our character, which corrects our character, are known as mantra. So for the Mangalacharan, we are going to start. श्रीमन्महागणाधिपतये नमः. श्रीलक्ष्मीनारायणाभ्यां नमः. उमामहेश्वराभ्यां नमः. वाणीहिरण्यगर्भाभ्यां नमः. शचीपुन्दरन्दराभ्यां नमः. मातृपितृचरणकमलेभ्यो नमः. इष्टदेवताभ्यो नमः. कुलदेवताभ्यो नमः, ग्रामदेवताभ्यो नमः, वास्तुदेवताभ्यो नमः, स्थानदेवताभ्यो नमः, सर्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो नमः, सर्वेभ्यो ब्राह्मणेभ्यो नमः। ओम सिद्धिबुद्धिसहताय श्रीमन्नागणाधिपतये नमः। सुमुखश्चैव दन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः, लंबोदरश्च विकटो विघ्ननाशो विनायकः, धूम्रकेतुर्गणाध्यक्ष भालचन्द्रो गजाननः, द्वादशैतानि नामानि यः पठेत् शृणुयादपि, विद्यारम्भे विवाहे च प्रवेशे निर्गमे तथा, संग्रामे संकटेश्चैव विघ्नस्तस्य न जायते। शुक्लांभरधरं देवं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं, प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। अभीप्सितार्थसिद्ध्यर्थ पूजितो यः सुरासुरैः, सर्वविघ्नहरस्तस्मै गणाधिपतये नमः। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके, शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा, निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। For the pranama to the whole universe, let us chant few more mantras. Hari Om. Swasti Nah Indro Bhadrasavaha, Swasti Nah Pukha Vishwavedaha, Swasti Nastaksho Aristhanemihi, Swasti no Brahaspatir Dadhatu. Hari Om. Prakhadashvaha Prashnimataraha, Shubham Yavano Vidhateshu Yagmayah, Agnijivya Manavaha Surya Chakshaso, Vishveno Deva Avasagaminnaha, Bhadram Karnebhi Shurnayame Deva, Bhadram Pakshemakshabhirjatra, स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्ट्वाग्वं सस्तनूभिर्व्यसेमहितं जदायु। ॐ शतमिन्तु शरदो अन्ति देवा, यत्रा नश्चक्राजरसन्तनूनां, पुत्रासो यत्र पितरो भवन्ति, मानो मध्यारीरिषतार्युगन्तो, अदितिर्द्यौरदितिरन्तिरमाता स पिता स पुत्रा, विश्वे देवा अदिति पञ्चजना, अदितिर्जातमदितिर्जनित्वम्। ओम शांतिरंतरिक्षगम शांति पृथ्वी शांतिरापः शांतिरोखदय शांति, शांति वनस्पतय शांतिर्विश्वे देवा शांति ब्रह्म शांति सर्वगम शांति शांतिरेव सामा शांतिरेधि। यतो यतः समीहसे ततो नो अवयं कुरु, शन्नः कुरु प्रजाभ्यो न पशुभ्यः। Please chant with me. Om Shanti
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 Shantirastu.
Shantirastu.
Om.
Om.
Thank you very much.
And I definitely look forward that people will take help and be free from the slavery of tobacco. And definitely, I, as an oncosurgeon, understand the need for healing oneself, the relaxation of the mind, because everything is on the mind. So in the next session, we are going to have something, Living the Present, Power of Now. This will be available on 14th of March, that we'll be having this program, and I'm glad we will take it forward. And definitely, we look forward for people who are needing the help of I Can Care to help quit tobacco. Please do note down this number, 011-430-77695. All those who are here, please note down this number. You can just guide anyone who wants to quit tobacco. Just tell them to call this number, and we are there to help them, handhold them through the journey, and handhold them through their being free from tobacco. And yes, we have started this group intervention therapy, which is there every Wednesday. It's like, the person who has quit helping the person who wants to quit. And of course, the Sadhguru is there. We are glad Sadhguru has agreed to be there on this day to take us through the meditation and take us through the relaxation. And of course, the support of Relaxium by Sandhyota and Curange by Sandhyota is always there, and welcome for all the people. So I would, again, this is something very unique that is happening in India, that is such an intervention online is available. Person sitting anywhere in India can join this, and even abroad can join this program. And this is a unique program. Nowhere else is happening accepting by this. So really, we are into a win-win situation. We have got the meditation, we have got the I Can Care, and we have got Relaxium. And definitely it is going to make a change. And of course, all those who have not downloaded the app, do download the app. And we are just putting the link. We will just put the link of the app. And then, of course, please, you all are requested to be part of this I Can Care community, because we need you. The society needs you. When I say I can care, it is on you. I can care. Yes, you can care for the society. And that's the power of I Can Care, that you have to be a part of the society to take care of the society. So you can take care of your people around you, of your family, of your friends, those who are into tobacco, and that is the power of I Can Care. And be part of this community to take it forward. So thank you so much.